Hi, I'm Pastor Mike Taylor and welcome to Faith Church. Why don't you come inside and have a look around? In 2015, I came back from New Zealand, back to Wales with what I believe was a God-given mission to restore the church back to its rightful place in community. And we took over this building in late 2015, a former cake factory, moved in with the church. And over the last couple of years, we've been transforming this into what is becoming a hub for our community. You know, this is a place where people can just come in and they meet people of faith, find a community, find a sense of belonging, but ultimately find a love of Christ, find the love that we have for Jesus. It's becoming a place of healing and restoration. You know, we're really blessed that we have scouts and brownies, we have taekwondo, we've got a fitness gym, a music school, we've got mums and toddlers groups running here, and we have a very successful community coffee shop, which we have people coming in every day from our community to drink coffee and just to chat and to fellowship. You know, we've been given the opportunity by our landlords now to buy the building. They've been really gracious to us, but we need to raise £500,000 so that we can secure this building and make it a permanent place for our church and for Wales. You know, if you could give us a small amount or a large amount, but if you could partner with us, that'd be amazing. If you want to know more about how to give, you can go to our website, faithchurch.wales, and to the giving page, and there you'll find more about the values and the mission of Faith Church, and you can give into the project here.